Yo, I'm a cat. I got early access from my best friend. This is gonna be the best video ever. We're gonna whip grandma. Burnham, shut up. Yo, my gave me. If you don't say thank you, I'm gonna whip all of you 90 miles per hour in the back of the. Oh, I have claws! I have claws! Oh my god! Oh my god, I have claws. Gay. How do I move forward? Alright, so I gotta like. Oh my god, I'm just calling this. Alright, how do I move forward? Oh, I see. I gotta like push backwards. Like, oh, I gotta climb up the walls, I think. Yo, can I climb up the walls? Wait, how do I climb up the walls? Oh my god, I can climb up walls. I can climb up walls. Yeah. I fell. I don't know. Oh, I fell again. I did it. Oh. Guys, I don't know my shapes. Guys, I don't know my shapes. I don't know my shapes. The square goes in the triangle. I'm so. Oh my god, I found a fish. Guys, I found a fish. Oh, he's in my mouth. I put the fish in my mouth. I saved you, fishy. You should be. Guys, I don't think. I kind of just want to throw the fish. Ugh. Fall asleep? I don't want to fall asleep. Lay in the bed. That's not wrong. Yes, I'm gonna wet the bed. This game's gonna be so cool. Yo, should I've watched videos on this. Should I see what Grandma got on her computer? Oh my god, where's Grandma? I need to see Grandma. Oh my god, it's Grandma! Grandma, come here! Come and give me a hug, Grandma! Oh my god! Grandma got that. Yeah. Grandma, get back up! Grandma! Oh, guys, I knocked Grandma over and she's not like. Oh, Grandma, give me that yacht. She has a frying pan. She has a frying pan. She crazy. She has a frying pan. Oh, I got something on my bougie watch. How do I check my watch? Grandma's trying to hit me with the frying pan. Grandma hit me with the frying pan. Grandma Rapunzeled my ass. Grandma Rapunzeled my ass. Yo, Grandma, let me get that yacht. Yo, look at Grandma's yacht. Oh, I knocked Grandma over. Poor Grandma. Grandma's trying to touch me. Oh, that's how I open it. Fluffy Joe. Hey, newbie. I can't read it. Grandma's trying to hit me with a damn frying pan. Grandma, leave me alone. Let me on the counter. She's crazy. Because he's a furry. Grandma's trying to cook me. Grandma's trying to cook me, guys. She's trying to cook me. Grandma, do you want one of your... Can I break one of your cups? Guys, I'm gonna throw one of Grandma's antique cups at her. I missed. She's trying to hit me with a frying pan. Guys, I can grab a frying pan too. I'm gonna 1v1 Grandma. I have a frying pan now. Oh my god, I broke her back. I broke her back. Trying. Yo, Dory's here. Alright. No, Dory! Dory! Did you say who's Dory? From like Finding Dory? Finding Nemo, you dumbass. Dory hates you. Mission complete. You've reached the second floor of the house. Guys, I'm on like the attic part of the house. Woo. Yo, I found a clock. I want to check the clock out. It looks pretty cool. Let's see. Let's see. What can this clock do? Does it tell real time? We'll never know. Yo, I think there's. Oh, no, no. No, guys. No, guys, there's like something behind the clock. There's like, it looks like there's something behind it. How do I open sesame? You know what? I see Grandma. I'm gonna cat attack her. Oh, I can go in the fish tank. I want to go in the fish tank. I want to go in the fish tank. Oh my God, it's Squidward's house. Let me up there. I'm just scratching the fish tank. Oh, that's how I do it. I'm Spider Cat. Oh my God, there's like a little mouse toy. This looks cool. Mousy. Oh, there's like a button. Maybe I should hit the button. Oh my God, I want to get them. Ow! There's mouses. I got one. Do I put it back in? Get in there, Jimmy. Oh, I got one mouse. I'm too lazy for that. Oh my God. There's stuff I can knock over on a shelf. Guys, should I knock it over? Like, a bunch of shit off Grandma's shelves. Wait, you said if I scratch the couch it makes a sound? Oh, it does. It's so hard to jump. Oof. Ooh, TV, Grandma's TV remote. Grandma, why are you watching videos of cats licking the screen? Cats being groomed when what looks like the human has no pants on. You see what I mean? Grandma's getting frisky. I'm gonna draw a smiley face on the wall. Check her search history? Oh. Oh, I think... Guys, I found a pickle. Guys, I found Grandma's TV. Or her password required. What's Grandma's password? 0. Oh. I think it's 0. No, I think it's 0, 2, 3, 1. Access denied. Grandma, why are you staring at me with that? 0. Oh. 2. No. 2, 0, 3, 3, 9. Is that it? Oh my God. Oh, it's a photo of me. Guys, give me one reason why I shouldn't kill Grandma right now. Alright, but cat pounds. She gave you cookies? You fat ass? What about me? And I still got your emo face. So I know you can't be talking, and I'm recording right now, so basically it just sounds like I'm talking to myself. Oh, Grandma has a frying pan! Grandma has a frying pan! Lo siento, Grandma. Lo siento. Ooh, I am security. Nah. No. I took Spanish in school. Oh, there's a piano! Pardon, there's a piano! It says FACDD. I know how to read this. Wait. F. I know how to read piano. A. No. C. D. D. I did something with that. Cookie. Oh, guys, I found a balloon. I want to pop it. Alright, I just gotta climb up here. It's so confusing how to climb. Oh, I can pinch climb. Oh my God. Ah! Guys, I'm about to knock. I just knocked Grandma's plant off the shelf. Oh my God, I'm knocking everything off Grandma. I knocked that off Grandma's shelf. Pop the balloon. I did it. Oh. I wish this was a multiplayer game. Mission complete. You threw 10 books off the bookshelf and onto the floor. Nice. Move the damn crow. It looked at me wrong. Can I knock over the paintings too? I found a USB. I found guys. I found a USB. Can I go through here? Chicken, you don't know how to gamble. He knows how to gamble people's hearts. I'm sorry. That did not make sense. Yo, guys, I found a USB, so I'm gonna put it in Grandma's computer. I bet. Grandma's trying to come towards me. Grandma's like shushing me away. Wait, how do I turn it on? Give me the keyboard. Give me the keyboard. Alright, password. I don't know the password. Do y'all know what the password is? No, but it's like a number. It's 1 to 9. No, chicken, you're no help. 2017. I forgot the 1. Chicken, you lied to me. Excuse you? I'm a cat. No, I'm gonna try 0237. I feel like that would work. Access denied. Grandma, what the hell is your password? She probably has it in like on a paper or some shit like that. Knowing grandmama. Yeah. It's all zeros. That seems like a simple. It seems a little too simple if you get what I'm saying. I'm gonna take a fat pee right now. If I'm... Why are you... Oh my god, are you smashing her cups on? Does she have the frying pan? The USB is on the 2nd story, if you want that. Access denied. How many zeros is it? It's a very long password, I'll say that. I gotta use the bathroom so badly. But I also don't want to stop recording. But I gotta use the bathroom. What do I do? I'm gonna make some toast, but I don't want to stop recording. Kind of. I got a broken cup. Oh yeah, the USB's up there. Oh, I found a vent. I wonder if I can go in it. Ooh, I wanna go in it. There's notes carved into it. I can't climb up the cat tree, I'm too bad. Oh no. Wait, how'd you get the clock off? I'm trying to see if there's like something up there. I hope Grandma gets you with the frying pan. Just that big old black eye. Same. Alright, I gotta make a part 2. I gotta use the bathroom. Alright, I'm gonna make a part 2, guys.